Angel Q. Kerber, short bio. Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Biography of Athletes. Today's celebrity Angel Q. Kerber. Angel Q. Kerber is a German professional tennis player, a former world number 1 and winner of 3 Grand Slam tournaments. She made her professional debut in 2003 and rose to prominence upon reaching the semi-finals of the 2011 US Open as the number 92 ranked player in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love Angel Q. Kerber, watch this video to end. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates. Angelique Kerber Biography. Real name Angelique Kerber. Nickname Kerber, Aki, Angie. Profession, professional tennis player. Ethnicity, white. Zodiac signs, Capricorn. Date of birth, January 18, 1998. Age, 32 years. Place of birth, Bremen, West Germany. Residence, Puszczykowo, Poland. Nationality, German. Religion, Christian. Net worth, Angelique Kerber has an estimated net worth of $30 million as of 2019. Famous for becoming the number 1 women tennis player in the world as per WTA ranking, which she achieved on September 12, 2016, and for winning 2016 Australian and 2016 US Open Grand Slam tournaments. Tennis career information. Playing style, left-handed, two-handed background, born right-handed. Turned pro 2003. Coach Dieter Kindelmann from 2019 to till now. Current ranking, number 21 on 9th March 2020. Tour Finals F 2016. Prize money, US dollar 29,526,500 US dollar, 8th in all-time rankings. Angelique Kerber family details. Father Slawomir Kerber. Mother Beata Kerber. Jessica Kerber, sister. Angelique Kerber interesting facts. She began her pursuit of becoming a tennis player at the age of 3. She is born right-handed but she plays with the left hand. She speaks German, English and Polish fluently. As a kid, Kerber idolized the legendary female tennis player Steffi Graf. Kerber had her professional debut in 2003. She started training herself in the tennis academy Angie in 2012, which was specially made by her maternal grandfather. In 2012, Kerber moved to Puszczykowo, Poland. Then her maternal grandfather owned an indoor tennis facility. In 2013, she managed to reach the 4th round in the Australian, French and US Opens. In 2016, she managed to make headlines with her performance at the first Grand Slam tournament of the year, the Australian Open. She won the silver medal for Germany in singles at the 2016 Olympic Games in Rio, Brazil. Angelique Kerber physical stats. Body types athletic. Height 1.73 meters or 5 feet 8 inch. Weight in kilograms 73 kilograms, in pounds 161 lbs. Body measurements 35, 26, 35 inch. Eye color blue. Hair color blonde. Shoe size, she wears a size of 9.5 US shoe. Dress size, her dress size is 5 US size. Angelique Kerber professional debut. Grand Slam debut in 2007, she made her debut in Grand Slams by competing in the French Open. Television debut. Angelique first appeared in the TV series documentary Das Ekotele Sports Studio in 2012 as herself in an episode dated July 7, 2012. Grand Slam singles wins. Kerber achieved her first ever Grand Slam title in 2016 at Australian Open. Angelique Kerber boyfriend name. Torben Belz. Angelique Kerber was rumored to be dating her long-time coach Torben Belz, but neither of them has confirmed the relationship. Angelique Kerber favorite things. Favorite actors: Julia Roberts. Favorite tournaments: Indian Wells. Favorite Grand Slam tournament: Australian Open. Favorite color: blue. Favorite song: Kiss Me by Ed Sheeran. Angelique Kerber's social media. Facebook 8,39,971 people like this. On Twitter 429k followers. Instagram 162k followers. Angelique Kerber house details. Angelique Kerber lives in a luxurious house which is located in Puzykowo, Poland.